Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi RS Q3 Sportback that comes finished in the sleek Mythos Black. At the time of this recording, the car has done 39,211 miles. Standing on 21-inch alloy wheels with a 5V spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, with the centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now, one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. As you sink into the driver's seat, with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic RN Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlists, then you'll love the Sunroof sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those long getaways. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. The navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can choose a preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up on the go with the 2 USB charging ports. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys. If this is the car for you, call our team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.